Today, you're going to have the chance to make your own flower. Use the pattern you've been given. You're going to cut out each shape. Do your best to stay on the lines and make sure that the little tabs at the end of each object are saved as well. You're all done cutting out all of the pieces, you'll lay those down and make sure you have some Scotch tape or some glue. If you're using tape, you're going to cut small pieces out ahead of time so that you're ready to tape all the other parts together. Now pick up the petals and fold the tabs down so that you have a place to glue them to the center of the flower. When you finish putting on all of the petals, you will start with the parts that are in the middle of the flower, the stamen and the pistil. Fold them carefully and look where the little tabs are to attach them as well. Of course, now our flower needs a stem. So you can fold this down the dotted lines to make 3 folds. This will give you a nice, thick, sturdy stem. Last but not least, of course, are the leaves. After you've put all the leaves on, the main parts are done, but be sure to save the arrows on your paper because we'll be labeling parts of the flower later.